What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning into the channel. Today I'm going to be working on my 2002 YZ250F and my 2004 YZ450F. Alright guys, so for those of you who watched my other video, you saw that I picked up this 04 YZ450F and we couldn't really get it running. We got it to fire, but we didn't get it running too good. So I am going to kind of work on this a bit. I was able to clean the carburetor and get it to fire up and run pretty good, and I was able to drive it, but I still need to kind of tune the carburetor a little bit because I feel like it's running a little bit lean and getting too much air, so it's popping, and I'm going to try to get this running a little bit better. And then right here I have my 2002 YZ250F that I've had for quite a while, and I just recently put a graphics kit on it and some new grips and a seat cover. And I'm also going to be throwing some levers on it today because these ones are all messed up, and actually this brake lever right here is snapped, so I got some new black levers to throw on there. And then I'm going to start out the video with throwing a graphics kit on the 450F. So I'll go ahead and fire the 450F real quick just so you guys can hear it run and you can see what I mean by it running a little bit lean. So it's just popping once I rev it up a little bit, and then once it kind of dies down, it pops a couple times. And I did some research online, and it looks like either there's some air that's getting in from like the air box or something where it connects to the carburetor, or the carburetor needs kind of tuned a little bit and the air just needs turned down, or the fuel needs turned up. So I may jump on that, but for now I'm going to go ahead and move the camera over here, and I'm going to go ahead and throw the graphics kit on it. Alright guys, I finished up with the graphics kit, and it totally just looks like a whole new bike. Totally different than what it did. Turned out really good. I need to clean up this fender, or this fairing, a little bit more. It has a few little scuffs and scratches. I'm going to clean that. But other than that, it's looking real good, and I'm going to go ahead and throw some levers on this bike probably tomorrow or something. And also, it doesn't have spark, so I went ahead and bought a coil and like a ECU board or computer or whatever that is right there, and the wiring that goes down to the coil, just to throw all that on and see if it can get spark. And hopefully it does, and hopefully she'll fire right up, but I'll probably jump to that in the morning. So alright guys, so it's the next day and I have my YZ250F in the garage, and right here I have a clutch cable for it that I'm going to install because there's not one on the bike right now. And then I have a front brake lever and clutch lever right here that I'm going to go ahead and install. And I also have a wiring harness with all the electronics because this bike doesn't have spark and I haven't been able to get it going because of that. So I went ahead and bought these used on eBay off of a running bike, so hopefully they work, and I'm going to go ahead and get started on installing the clutch cable. Then I'll do these levers and I'll jump onto the electronics after that. Alright, the levers are on and the clutch cable's on, and now I'm going to go ahead and start tearing it all apart and throwing this new wiring harness and all the electronics on. Alright guys, I got it put back together and sprayed some starter fluid in the air box and kicked it over a bunch of times and it wasn't firing. So I went ahead and pulled the spark plug and checked if it had spark, and it did have spark. So I went ahead and did it again a couple more times, and for some reason it's not firing up. So I'm going to have to do a little more research and kind of try to figure out what's up with it. But for now, for the rest of the video, I'm probably just going to try to tune the carburetor on the 450F. So we'll probably just get to this in another video. Alright guys, so I'm not going to end up getting to this today. I'll probably save it for the next video or something like that, just because I have things to do and I need to edit this video and get it up there. But that's kind of some progress on both of these bikes, and stay tuned to see some more. If you guys are new, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and let me know what you think down below. Peace out, and I'll catch you guys next time.